Hi guys, I'm just wanna share things to you, especially when you're a Christian that watching right now and you have a struggle of sharing your faith to other people and or to love other people. Guys, I just want to share this to you that you have to first encounter the one who love you, encounter God's love for you so that it will manifest in your heart and it's also renew your mind because guys when you experience his love it's also changed your heart. Your sinful nature is no more longer control you, but God's spirit will control you, and he's the one who is speaking to us. And also in Christian believers, we have an excitement in our heart to preach or to share God's God's love to other people, because that's reality, guys. It's about Jesus. Because when you experience him, his goodness, his kindness, his miracle power in your life, you cannot keep in your own self, guys. It's always be like excitement. You always be like, oh, I wanna share, because that's the spirit of God, guys. It's not like, there's no fear of sharing God's goodness to others or your faith to others. Because one time I remember, like, I have a friend, and she's non-believers, and I asked God, see, it's about like let God use your mouth and let God use your hand, because you have to ask God first before you're gonna go. Like my friend Brazilian, she's non-believers, and I asked God, like, Lord, I'm going to meet her today, Lord, with having breakfast with her, and she's not really. I wanted to let her know about you. I want to share my faith to her. And then I ask God simple things. Be my mouth, Lord, and I will trust you. I will trust you today. And then when I see when I met her, she was just like change. She saw me change, and she saw me like there's something going on in you. You're so joyful. You're so light. Your eyes, your eyes just light up. And then what happened? And I told her that's the thing is. See, we I told her about Jesus. That's what the thing is, that God will use our mouth and our hand to tell the world, and to use our hand to heal the sick. Because guys, it's about him, guys. God is not wait we're not waiting for God. God is waiting for you, so he can use your mouth and he can use your hand, because that's the way God is. All you have to do is to trust him fully, trust his love, and you're gonna be okay. Trust the Holy Spirit and you're gonna be okay. Okay, guys.